Profound love, my fans. Oh my. Today, Sunday, you know the date? No, the 15th March 2026 in the evening here. It's Mother's Day in the UK. Big up all the mothers them in the UK saying Mother's Day. And this date here, you know. My fans, I've been listening some real lovers song them. Seeing? Real authentic love songs them. I tell you, man. I can't even tell you, my brother, how the song them and my sister how the song them. Nice. So nice, so wonderful. Lovers Rock from Kojak Country License. I wish if I could have play all them songs there. See, for my team, but you know, copyright things, so I cannot do it. I said the song them nice. See, all of the top artists, them American top singers, them. See, I tell you, man, my fans, me a bake and Toto. Toto smell nice now. In the atmosphere here, big up all of my new subscribers, them. From Jamaica, Africa, India. Whoa, big up on yourself, Indian people, Indonesia, Malaysia, Bangladesh, my America, Europe, Canada, the Caribbean, see in Central and South America. Me like to bake. Because you see, I'm a nightcap, you know. Me like when night come, and me have something nice to eat. Anyone who like to bake, please leave a comment if you like to bake. Bake, B-A-K-E, bake. Bake something nice, because it smell good. All the bird, them smell it and know. So I'll show you the Toto now, my fans, you know, because we have to talk to you little, you know. And big up all of the fans, everyone who always watch it, videos them and comment, and know no name. Maybe we're not going to call all the names them this evening. Big up Nona from India. Nona, she subscribed a couple days ago, but she always, you know, Nona from India, a comment and I watch the videos along with some other brothers and sisters from India. Same way with the Jamaican them and American them also are Europeans, you know. Big up every Jamaican in the diaspora and Jamaican near, you know, is living in Jamaica. See, we're getting nice weather in Jamaica, beautiful weather. The weather is fantastic. The sky there now, it was sunny early on. So let me show you the Toto now, the Toto Cake. Don't know what to call it in India and Africa if it's the same thing. Them are fans, the Toto. Ella top Ella bottom, it smells good. Yeah. Well spongy. Would like a taste of it. Yeah man, please let me know in a comment. Might not pretty like your Toto, you know, but them on your nice still. See, you might be pretty when you're baking at the oven with pretty color. You know, not put all like brown in and food color in yours, but me not put no food color in mine anyway. You know, this is just a natural bushman style, hillbilly style of baking. See? You know, you have all your good chocolate. There's a special person that watches my videos by the name of Chocolate Tea. She loves chocolate tea the most. So I will be making some good chocolate with the coconut milk in it. So in this Toto here, I use flour, coconut trash. You know, you do just grate the coconut and, you know, get the trash and the coconut milk, everything in one. Sugar, vanilla, cinnamon, you know, nutmeg. You put little salt and so forth, you know, you mix it at the right way with your baking powder too. And so it swell there. Swell, so you cut into that. Wow, with your knife or so MG. So who would like this piece of Toto, let me know. Shirley, if you want, let me know. Sissy, let me know if you want. Lenora, you can let me know. Tetia, Andrea, and just sent Casey, everyone. Stew beef, no make me know. So bless up and big up. Because I'm out of water for this Toto right now. So my friend, More love from Koja Country Lifestyle. Remember to leave a comment, and if you are new, special welcome. You can subscribe, share with your friends and family. Bless up. The way the thing smell, go they call like me can't talk no more because it a tickle me taste bud. I mean, well, one cut piece and taste it. So bless up and one love from Koja Country Lifestyle. I'm going to listen some nice love song all the come more again. Yeah, so bless up. And idea me gotta do some love song for my channel, some with a karaoke style, a lot of love songs. So you can request a love song, they don't know what I sing. Bless up and big up.